Hello all, hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about the Python and its features. So most of the interviewer ask the common questions that what is the Python and what about its features. So Python is general purpose, high level and dynamic and interpreted programming language. It supports object-oriented programming to develop the application. So why it is called high level? So high-level languages are easier to understand humans and computer also, because it uses lots of symbols, letter and phrases, logics in a program. If you want to print hello, just write print and hello. So that's why it is called a high-level language. So next point is why it is called dynamically typed language. So in C, when we declare a variable, the memory will be allocated, and when we compile the code, it will check for the same data type for the same variable. But in Python, it doesn't know about the type of the variable until code is run. That's why it is called dynamically typed language. Next point, I will discuss why it is interpreted language. So Python language uses interpreter. Coming to the third point, why it is called interpreted language. So Python doesn't require the compilation, allowing rapid development and testing. It uses interpreter instead of compilations. And coming to the fourth point, that is, it is object-oriented programming language. It supports object-oriented programming, making writing reusable and modular code easy. And also Python is called open source and it is free to use. And also Python is called integrated language. So why it is called integrated? Because Python can easily integrated with other languages and technologies. So coming to the next questions, that is the common question. So where Python is used? Python is used everywhere, like data science and web application, desktop application, mobile application, and most important is the artificial intelligence, machine learning and DevOps, IoT, finance, everywhere Python is used. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.